Firm tofu is stuffed with a delicious chicken mixture and then cooked on all sides. A fragrant gravy is created and the tofu is nestled in it before serving.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be making stuffed tofu. Now I love tofu, but not everyone in my family loves it. So I decided to make this a little bit different, stuffing it with a delicious flavored chicken mixture, and it's going to be served with a little bit of a gravy and it's going to be amazing. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking.
I'm going to start with 454 grams of extra firm tofu. To get rid of the excess water, I'm going to sit this in a colander and I will place a paper towel on top and then I will add a weight. Once most of the liquid has drained, I will cut these into cubes. I'm going to be using this little mini ice cream scoop and I'm going to carefully scoop out a depression in the center of each cube. To make the depression more pronounced, you can dig a little bit more with a small spoon. I have 400 grams of ground chicken here. To this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of minced green chili, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half a cup of sliced spring onions, and half a cup of diced mushrooms, and I'm going to give this a really good mix. Take some of this chicken mixture and stuff it into the cavity of the tofu. And don't worry about any of the leftover tofu, you can always throw this into any other recipe. Heat up some oil and I'm going to place the tofu down. Allow this to brown on all sides, ensuring that the chicken mixture is cooked, and then keep aside. I will now work on the next batch. I'm going to heat up some oil. Add half a cup of shallots, a quarter cup of sliced spring onions. I'm also going to be adding a quarter cup of cauliflower florets, 1 cup of Enoki mushrooms, half a cup of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, and I'm going to mix this well together. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Now, if there's any minced chicken left over, feel free to add it in. I'm going to add a little bit more water as needed. Finally, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and I'm going to mix this and taste for seasoning. This is now ready. I'm just going to nestle the tofu in the gravy and I'm going to allow it to absorb the flavor. Garnish with spring onion leaves and this is ready to serve.
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for stuffed tofu. It's such a great accompaniment, but it's also great as a main. If you love my videos, guys, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. And don't forget, just make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers soon and you can really help me get there. Also, make sure that you rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.